We are having one of our infamous Arizona windstorms. That this has to have a 3-minute sustained wind before it does register. So I think 25 is actually quite a bit low. Probably going to wind up having to do a voiceover on this one. Oh, maybe not. Looks like it may have calmed down a little bit. Nope. Yeah, the wind is like insane through here. And there looks to be a storm coming. You can see flashes of lightning in the distance. There you go. I don't know how well that came on this. It's auto-correcting too well. There we go. That one came good. We're not hearing the thunder from it yet. It's still far enough away. Over in this area, in real life, the sky actually looks yellow. I'll see if I can take a photo and do a little bit better, getting true colors on it. But this is actually kind of cool. Gotta love Arizona weather. I got a new Note 9 and it had a Pro Video feature in it, so we're gonna have to see how this actually comes out. This should be a little bit more true color. And the wind is starting to pick back up quite a bit too. Yeah, this didn't auto-correct anywhere near as bad. Yeah, there's still some bright spots. I'm gonna have to check out the Doppler radar, see what it looks like. But that's what I was talking about, it being yellow over in there. Sunset's way in the distance. You can see that being nice and red in between those palm trees right over there. If I get my finger out of the way, let it focus. I'll see if I can include a Doppler on this one. It's a couple hours later. And yeah, I don't know if you can see anything out of this. But it's finally starting to rain.
It's coming down pretty good or not?
Yeah, it's actually coming down pretty good.
Yeah, it is. How about that? Oh, shit.
About 5-10 minutes ago, we heard one serious clap of thunder. And then it opened up finally.
Are you making a video?